Hi, Wagwan family. Hope you're all doing well. I'm in Benidorm. Yay, sunshine. So happy to finally have some sunshine. And I'm in the back roads. So I've done Levante Beach. I keep saying Levante, it's Levant. Levant Beach. But it is what it is. And I'm going to take you for a little walk around the sort of back roads, all the bars. We'll go to like British Square. And yeah, see Wagwan. You guys all know the vibe. Don't forget to like and subscribe, all of that fun stuff. And yeah, let's check out Benidorm. Is it worth coming to? So my favourite Europe destination is Albufeira. It's been a while since I've been to Spain, mainland Spain anyway. So I want to see, is it worth coming? Are the prices good? It is daytime, so a lot of these bars are going to be absolutely heaving tonight. Completely different vibe come sort of like 8 onwards. So yeah, let's have a little look. I am using my phone as well as a map system because if you know me, I can get lost easily. But I always think if you get lost, you find the best places. So I'm not a mad hater at it. So yeah, let's have a little look around. So quite busy for this time of year. We are going this way. Let's have a little look. Got KFC, can't go wrong. So Broadway Music Club. I'm gonna have to be talking because the music will probably get me copyrighted. So I'm gonna talk loud, talk over it, and hopefully it doesn't affect the video. You've got the Queen's Arms there. I don't know if the Queen would sit there though, not that she's here, but in her time I don't think she would have. Hello! So you've got a KFC, Rocky's pub over there. So yeah, you've got a lot of, it's very sort of your typical boozer. So if you do like a good boozer, you will definitely find it in Benidorm. And then just to give you, look at all of those sky rises. It is a little bit nuts when you come to Benidorm. You do feel like you're in a city by the beach in Spain, but in the UK. Wrap your head around that if you can. Little bar in there. Big screen though, look at the screen. Nice. Hello, okay, thank you. So all the family join the fun at the pub, Rocky's. A little bit more in the shade here, so I'm feeling the cold a bit. It is good weather, but you've got to be sitting in the sun. Got your lovely tap there. A lot of stag do's. There we go. 2 pints of Amstel, €3.50. There we go. Give you guys the prices. This is the Brit Station. Happy hour, 2 for 1. Vodka rum plus slush puppy, €6. I mean, the prices aren't bad. This is what we're doing a comparison. Is Benidorm still cheap? Is it still the place to come to? I did meet a couple actually of ladies who were out, and they'd come last year, and they were saying the prices have actually increased from the last time. So they said like pints used to be €1.50. I mean, obviously that was 2 pints for €3.50, but this is along the main bit. So they had noticed that the prices had changed. So do comment below if you have been here. Got the Red Lion, you got all your acts and everything. So we got what, Karen Perry, sorry. So you got all your sort of tribute acts, got your little British takeaway. Let's give you guys a little look at where we are. Got your hotels, look at that one there. Right, let's recenter, let's carry on. So you got your Sticky Star, if you know, you know. Funny story actually. I went and saw Sticky Vicky or her daughter, sorry, Sticky Vicky's daughter, let's get it right. And at the time, I'm going to walk in the sun because I'm in the shade, I don't know why. I was asleep and I woke up to it. I was in the bar, I'd had a few, fell asleep, typical me, and I woke up to this lovely act. Yeah, definitely was a little bit like, oh, there we go, there's the original. Sticky Vicky. Got a Pink tribute, got some comedy, Tony Scott. So yeah, there's loads of acts. So if you are someone who enjoys going to the pub and, you know, having a bit of karaoke, watching your tribute bands, they are a dime and a dozen here. You will definitely get that. If you just want a nice quiet drink, I don't think Benidorm's really for you. So yeah, we'll keep going. So we're heading, if anyone's been here, we're sort of going further and further away from the beach basically, more to like the clubs and stuff. It's daytime, so the bars and stuff are obviously a lot more quieter than what they would be in the evening. We will show you, as always, Wagwan, we'll show you the nightlife, we will show you what's going on in the evening, so you can get the full scope of the area. So you've got a kebab house there, another pub, let's have a look. So €15 pitcher cocktails, you can got your buckets, live acts. Go, give you guys some prices. Corona. It sounds really busy, but it's a little sun trap. I can see why. So let's have a look. So again, got your buckets and everything. Quite a nice one there. Got a little supermarket across the road. This one looks really busy as well. Got the American flags on this one. Yeah, it looks like a western, doesn't it? Got to get your cowboy boots out for that one.
Yeah, let's go inside.
But absolutely ramo. It's got a bit more of a rock and roll vibe. Oh, wow, this is very pink, isn't it? So what is this one? The Ambassador Player 2. Really nice pink tinge to all the balconies. Let me know if you stayed at this one. And then we've got Wild Duck Benidorm. So yeah, so much choice, so much choice. Loads going on. This is definitely the little bar central. You definitely do pub golf along here. I can see why it is so popular for people doing sort of hen and stag do's and everything. And it's 2.5 hours from UK, so you know, if you don't want to really be on a plane for long. My travel days seemed like eternity. But then I had work, I went straight from work, had to fly from Stansted. So from where I live, it was about 2 hours to get the train to get to Stansted. And then from Stansted, my flight was first thing in the morning, but I got there around 10:30, 11. So yeah, all nighter at the airport. And then obviously did my flight, had to wait 1.5 hours to get the bus from Alicante. So fun fact, if you are flying in, Benidorm doesn't have an actual airport. Alicante would probably be the nearest one. So we are in Hotel City. Hopefully you guys can see a little bit more than I can. Yeah, so a little bit longer, but worth the travel. So we got Waikiki. That's quite nice over there. And then got karaoke there. All of them do karaoke, to be fair. And then we've got the famous Neptunes, which we're going to check out. This was where I wanted to see. So let's go and check out the prices, see what the acts are. This one's quite famous. You've got obviously the pirate ship right there. Oi, oi, Roger. I don't know what that was, but I think Pirates of the Caribbean, Johnny Depp. Let's have a little look. So you've got your tributes. And then this one will be open later. I don't know if they've got a drink price. There we go. Let's have a little look so you guys can get a vibe for how much dollar you've got to put out. So yeah, I mean, it's not extortionate, but comment below if you think the cocktail prices have gone up. I think €9 is a little bit steep, and I'm probably cheap. Don't care to say it. I do want to bargain. When you go on holiday, I do want to feel like I'm getting something that is cheaper than home. I can probably get cocktails for that price at home. You've got sangrias with your champagne. I'm sure they do like cheap beers and stuff, which obviously is what you want. But yeah, look at all those hotels. Ambassador, Calypso, Flash. Really, really, really good location. So yeah, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, hype, everything in between. This is Wagwan Tours. If you're new to the channel, check out all of our other content. We've got loads. We like to bring you the good deals and show you what you can expect if you book. See you guys on the next one.